Well, hello everyone. So today I wanted to install Windows Vista. Now, the past 2 episodes I've been installing nothing but betas. So I wanted to take a little break from betas and I wanted to, you know, focus on some sort of final version. And also, both those betas were failed. The only beta I have right now that wasn't failed is Windows Whistler. Windows Whistler build 2419. So, we're going to install Windows Vista. I finally thought it was time to install something other, like, newer than Windows XP. So let's do Windows Vista. We're going to create a new virtual machine and use this. So I inserted the thing. Now it says Windows Vista x64 edition detected. This operating system will use easy install. Now to skip easy install, all you gotta do is just click next, like that. So we are just going to name it Windows Vista. 40 gigs is fine. Now we power it on. Just like that, baby. Oh yeah. So now it's just going to install Windows. It already collected all the information, which is really weird, but we give it a try nevertheless. And I notice it doesn't have the arrow cursor that we see on, you know, Vista onwards. So that's weird. Anyways, catch you back when this is done. Now it's at 99%, 100%. So then it has to install the features, install the updates, and complete the installation. It already installed the features, which is pretty cool. Installing updates. I don't think it's supported no more. Yeah, and then it ended in 2017. This video was published in 2023. Windows needs to restart to continue. Restart now. Alright, just booting up. How cool. So now it says, please wait while Windows sets up your computer. Oh, and there's the arrow cursor. Completing installation. So this is basically the crappy version of Ep.7. Yeah, everyone says Vista equals shitsa. Ha ha ha, funny. But it's actually pretty good for what it is. I mean, this is the one that started 7. One of the best operating systems in existence. Competing with XP in the best operating system ever stuff, you know? You just can't beat Windows 7. And this is the operating system that inspired it. So, without Windows 7, without Windows Vista, we wouldn't have Windows 7. At least, I think. Well, anyways, we'll just let this do its thing. Alright, I think it's ready to reboot. I don't know, I'm not entirely sure. thing. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's. Oh, boom back up. Yeah. Look at us. It's booting up. It's booting up. So cool. I don't know what this deal is. Look at that. It's booting up. By the way, I restarted it. I see the mouse cursor. I can move the mouse cursor. It's blowing up something. The low button goes away. The low button goes away. And I just see a black screen. Nothing on it. By the way, did you hear that little flutter noise? That means the sound card works. That's really cool. So it turns out it does work. Look at that. It works. No. Look, play the critical stop sound. All I have to do is just go to run, or just press Windows R, and then type in nonsense. Ha! Classic noise. Or I can get the exclamation sound if I do something. There's no pad, no pad. NOTE. There's no pad. If I type something, and then I just wait. Ooh, okay. I don't know if that was a coincidence, but okay. And then I just close it. Don't I? Well, I thought that was gonna be an exclamation. It's so good to hear the sounds. Last time I tried this, like last time I got a Windows Vista copy, the sound card did not work until I installed some sort of thingy. Like, it asked, oh, you gotta put the CD in. Like, the CD from, the speakers. Like, you gotta put the CD in, bro, so we can install the software. But no, it just works like that. Like, but with other systems, I can just turn it on, and that's cool. Oh, that's cool. Oh, got it. Oh, got it. No headlines. We just have a clock. Remember the gadget from Vista? Close sidebar. How do I find the Windows sidebar again? Just click on that. Remember when balloons were a thing? Yeah, I sure do. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this. Look at this arrow. And now we can experience Arrow in all of its glory. I wonder if Arrow's even on. I do want to try Arrow because, well, yeah. Oh, standard. That's just classic, you know. Alright. Alright. So the basic, and then you have a standard. And look at that. It's classic Windows. You know, there might be a lot of Windows Server 2003. Maybe I'll do an episode on that. Let's just switch it back to the default. I don't think there's an arrow on here, so. There's effects. Retype, okay. Alright. That's cool. Change desktop icons? I think it is. So, yeah, that's it. So everyone, thanks for watching, and and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.